Good morning. We're here at the base of Tatra Mountain in Zakapone.
Tatra Mountains is a chain of mountains. So we're at the base of Kasprowy Wierch.
So we are planning to take the gondola up the mountain so we can enjoy the view up there. There is hiking option. There's a path to go there, and I see a lot of people with their hiking gear, so if you're adventurous and you have the stamina, but I saw back there some of the path, or at least the one on the bottom here, has cobblestones, and that's not good for my ankle.
I'm kind of curious if it goes all the way or it just stops at a certain point, because otherwise it would be pretty muddy when it rains, basically.
We got here early. We took the earlier ticket because there's a discount, and then also at the later in the day. Although at the peak hours, it's actually the opposite. It's going to be a surcharge.
Yes.
So better look at online and choose your time wisely.
And also buy the tickets at that point as well, because in the high season they may run out of the spots for you.
Us to be safe, we did buy it online, and it is scheduled. Since it's scheduled, we need to get here on time. So again, we're here early, so we didn't want to take any chances. There are a few options. You can drive up here, of course. There's a parking spot, but
it doesn't go all the way up. It stops about 30 minutes walk, depending on your speed, of course. And the rest of the way up to the beginning station is you have to walk there, basically, come from that parking lot.
You can take the bus, which will actually take you all the way to the close to the ticket box.
Well, pretty much up to it, yeah.
Because it's a drop-off zone, so you can't park there. So bus would be just fine.
There's very limited amount of people that are allowed to drive this close to into the mountain.
So,
and taxis and private buses are the exception.
Yeah, but there are complicated schedules. There are, like Kate says, private buses. So there are different schedules, different routes. We didn't want to take any chances. So the option we took is
to take a taxi. I know it's a little bit more expensive. It's 4 of us. We felt it would be just easier on everybody, so we don't have to stress. And yet, it's time ticket here. If you miss your spot, and if you're lucky that there will be on the next ride, you have to pay additional fee. I think they run every 20 minutes or so. We have reached the top of Kasprowy Wierch. Right next, we're sitting a little bit away from the weather station that's on top here.
There's mom and dad.
That way, where dad's kind of hand pointing. Yeah, right there.
But
And we have gorgeous view.
Look at that view. I'm sorry.
Gorgeous view behind, in front, to the right, to the left, everywhere you look.
Little sunny, not that sunny. It's actually nice right now. There's a lot of light. It's not too sunny. There's breeze. It's not windy. Hopefully the sound comes out well. We'll try to project here as much as possible. But yeah, I said it before. I'm gonna say it. You can take a lot of pictures. You can take a lot of videos. Being up here is just
Will not be replaced.
surreal. One must visit this place for sure.
Well, unless you're not a mountain kind of person, I guess, and you don't care about the beauty of the nature.
Then there's
yeah.
something wrong with you. But yeah, it's beautiful for sure. Little rocky. Some of them
Just
are
a little, because that's
loose.
what mountains are, pile of rocks.
Come here before you have mobility issue because
Yeah.
there's no way.
It's hard.
Steep stairs, and the stairs are made out of rocks, and yes, they can come loose. Can't complain. Look at that. So yeah, beautiful.
There are ski lifts here for those who like to ski in the winter. I'm sure it's absolutely gorgeous.
Oh man, I want to go back here in winter and ski these hills. This mountain. Okay, our ass is getting cold. We're sitting on a rock, so
Gotta get our ass off of it before we freeze.
What else do they have? Let's check them. So we pick ourselves salad. There's the sauerkraut, beets, carrots, coleslaw, cucumber, I guess sour cream. And Dad got his order of cabbage soup, the one that Mom ordered yesterday. That's your appetizer.
Dobra?
Dla mnie może być. Dobre.
Dla mnie wczoraj też bardzo
And then fish on top of it. I was about to ask, how big was the rib? Well, I guess I got a full size. Looks good. Kate got her dessert pierogi. Here's a blueberry. What's the white sauce? Oh, I won't be able to taste it.
Tak? Dziękuję. No pewnie, że tak.
Mom had
Pocałować sobie.
her dessert. Not having
You
one.
can have maybe this one. It has like the least.
Okay. Just half.
You want just half?
Ale truskawek dużo. Fajnie.
Right, it's a lot of dough. I don't taste much of the jam.
It's not jam.
Okay, take two.
Ze śmietaną?
I don't think sweet pierogi is for me.
That's fair. Well, these were not necessarily strictly sweet.
Okay, so fruits in pierogi is not for me. What is inside? Cream?
White cheese.
White cheese. Cheese and...
I sosem też truskawkowym.
Where's that? That place is empty.
I'm waiting for the fish.
Finish the soup. Now it's for the fish.
Yup.
Okay, you're not supposed to eat ribs with utensils. Nice, but I'm gonna dump the utensil. I'm gonna wash my hands and redo it. That's how you're supposed to eat ribs.
Robimy co mamy
That was
i idziemy.
a lot of food. And I think I'm gonna...
Well, we're gonna walk a bit.
Yeah, we're gonna shop.
Yeah. Before we go.
Make space for dessert.
We had